So in this video we are going to make this pattern, and in this pattern you can see this is a triangle which is hollow, and in the center we are also having a diagonal or which is perpendicular. Okay, so how you can make this triangle? So to make this triangle we are going to use the height. Like if the height is 10, I will go for 10 levels. So let's create the height with the number is equals to 10. And now what I'm going to do, for I in range, and in this particular range I'll go for 0 space to 8 spaces, because first line is definite, right? We need to print just one star at the center. At the end I need to print 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, means I need to print 12 stars. So we'll go for that as well and see how the things will go. But at the center we need to go for only 8 levels. First level is defined and last level is defined, means I just need to go for 8 level. For that purpose I'm going for 0 to that particular number, right? And after that let's print that number first, right? After printing the number you can see the value is ranging from 0 to 9. Okay, let's go for 8 only because I want to go for just 8 levels. And now in the beginning let's print a star, right? Now the star should be at the center here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write number multiply by the spaces, means I need to add these many spaces, and after that I'm printing a star, so that star should come at the center. Now here I need to apply the same for all these patterns as well. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to first of all add few stars here. How many star I need to add? First of all I will add a space, because in the beginning I should have space. After that I should have a star. Now let's add the spaces here. So here I'm adding a space. How many spaces I want? Let's suppose I want to go for these number of I spaces. Okay, and after going for I spaces I will go for a star, right? So this is the concatenation operation, right? This is the first operation that we are having, and this is my second operation to printing the stars. Okay, and after that what I'm going to do, I'm going to print, let's print nothing after that. Okay, and let's run this and see what we are getting. Okay, should close this bracket as well, and now if I'm executing it, this is the pattern I'm getting. But what I want, I need exactly the reverse of it, right? Because in the first line I'm having 0 space then 2 spaces, but in the first line I should have these many spaces. So instead of I should write number minus I. Clear? So this is what I should write, and at the end I am having everything. So now if I'm executing this, this is the pattern that I am having. Clear? Now from this pattern you can see we are having few empty spaces in the beginning as well, right? So for that purpose what we can do, we'll start from I minus 2 and let's see what we will get. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now I'm having equal number of patterns, but now this line is distorted. So what I can do, just remove one space from here, means all these lines are going to be shifted towards the left. So now if I'm executing it, this is what I am getting. All the spaces are now shifted, means my left line is ready. And after getting my first line ready, what I need to write, I will add the center line. Clear? And how to add the center line? I need to add exact equal number of spaces in these particular area. Clear? Means after that I will add some spaces. How many spaces I want? I want the spaces from 0 space here, 1 space here, then 2, then 3, 4. Means I need to go for the same value as I goes. So I need to go for spaces, and here I am writing I, means I need to go for these many spaces, and after going for these many spaces I will print a star. Clear? So let's run it and see how the things are going. Now the things are going great, right? This is for printing the first empty spaces. After that this is for printing the center, these stars. After that these values, and after that the star again. Now what should be the next step? The next step is going to be, I need to add the stars here, but before that I need to add the spaces. So spaces should be in the same manner, like 0 space here, 1 here, 2 here, 3 here. So that is why I am copying the same pattern here as well. Okay, I am adding the spaces in this manner, right? Because the number of spaces are same as this particular area here as well. So here I am writing the empty space, and after that I am adding a star as well. So now if I'm executing it, this is the pattern that I am getting. And what is the height? The height should be 10, but I'm having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and the 10th level should be the whole stars. All the stars should be there at the bottom. That would be my final. So what I can do for that purpose, I'm out of the loop and I'm just printing stars. Now how many stars I need to print? I need to print these number of stars. And now if I'm executing it, so I'm getting these type of stars. So what I should do, I should add a space here and execute it, and these are the number of stars I'm having. Now let's do one thing. Let's check if I'm going for just five stars, is that code correct or not? For the 5 star the code is correct, and for the 7 star also the code is correct. That means whatever height I'm having, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, if the height is 7, I should have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 stars. Clear? Let's add one more into it, because this is mandatory to make the symmetry, right? So let's execute it. Means at the bottom I should have one more star than the height. If the height is, let's suppose, 12, how many star I need to have at the bottom? At the bottom I need to have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13 stars. Now this is the triangle that I have made, and in this triangle this is exactly a perfect triangle with a diagonal line. So this is how you can make a triangle with a diagonal. Thank you. And that is hollow as well.